Hey! Today we're deep diving into how noise works in the Privacy Sandbox on Android. Let's get started. Noise is added to every value to protect user privacy. For example, when looking at total revenue or event counts, noise can subtly adjust these figures, either increasing or decreasing them. The larger the value, the less noticeable the noise. Values that didn't exist in the report will just be noise. Here's an example of how noise is added to different values. The bars represent the actual data, and the additional height shows the noise applied to each value. Larger summary values will have less relative noise compared to smaller summary values. In the Privacy Sandbox, each source event, like an ad click, has a maximum number of values it can use, called the contribution budget. The Privacy Sandbox has set this contribution budget to 65,536 values to limit the amount of data collected from each event. An oddly specific number, but hey, someone did the math, right? Each time a user takes an action, like an in-app purchase, it's recorded, and it uses part of the contribution budget until it's fully used up. Let's go through an example with a finance app. Here are some typical events we might track: sign up, KYC completion, deposits, and investments. Each event has a target and a budget. For instance, a sign up might have a budget of 5,000 values, while a deposit might have a budget of 25,000 values. It really depends on your measurement strategy. To manage budgets and keep the data useful, we use scaling factors. Scaling helps keep the data valuable even with the added noise and helps manage the contribution budgets. By scaling up values, we make sure the noise doesn't mess up important data points. Mobile measurement partners like AppsFlyer handle the scaling up and down and keep the data accurate and private. For example, if we have 3 signups, we might scale it up to 15,000 to fit within our budget. Then Sandbox adds noise to these scaled up values. Finally, we scale down noisy values to get more accurate results. The aggregated report shows the total values after adding noise and scaling down. Dealing with all these technical details can be very overwhelming, but AppsFlyer can simplify it for you. We provide clear noise cancelling reports so you can focus on the bottom line. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And if you want to see firsthand how noise will impact your reports, we've got just the tool for you. Check out our noise simulator. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.